There we go.
It is now.
It is now. Jelly?
Jelly.
Jelly?
Jelly.
Jelly?
Jelly.
Jelly?
Jelly.
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 That's not the thing. Eat it once just to check.
You don't have to go in there now.
We milked you already.
Yeah.
Okay, Jelly.
Jelly?
We made jelly.
Jelly, do you want to hear a story? Okay, here goes.
Here's a story about jelly. So we made jelly.
We made jelly with some blackberries that were starting to be ripe, and we had to pick them very quickly because jelly. Because it was gonna rain soon, and if it rains on them, then they mold quickly. And so we picked them.
Jelly?
So we picked them very quickly, and now, babies.
Baby,
do you want to participate?
So,
Right.
what are all the steps of making jelly? Jelly?
Jelly.
Jelly. I'm saying jelly a lot.
Yeah, there should be the counter how many times we've
Jelly.
said it. Yeah. Right, so you gotta pick berries or whatever it is and harvest all ingredients. Not all of them, because, I mean, you don't have to harvest the sugar.
Unless you have it.
Or the pectin, unless you have it. Anyway, so...
Jelly.
Right, so you have to harvest all the ingredients, and then what you do is you get your fruit or vegetables ready, and then you add the sugar to it, and you boil it for however long it needs to take. And then if you're using liquid pectin, you would add it after it's done boiling. But if you're using powdered pectin, you'd want to add it with the fruit or vegetables first, and then add the sugar last. So it depends on what pectin you use, and then the pectin just helps thicken it and preserve it. And then after you add the pectin to it, you then put it into the jars, and okay, fine, you can be over there then.
Bring it all back up to a boil?
Right, you bring it all back up into a boil, and then you ladle it into the jars. And then you seal that baby almost jumped in here.
Oh, babies.
And then you seal it by sanitizing the lids, putting bands on it, and then putting all of the jars into a water bath canner, which is just a pot full of water, and then you boil it again for 20 minutes, except this time in the jar. Stop jumping on here!
Okay.
In a jar.
We forgot the part?
Right.
Jelly?
Right.
Jelly?
We also forgot the part.
Okay, so you take the berries.
The berries.
We picked.
We use blackberries.
And then we make them seedless.
And we make them seedless by putting them in a mesh strainer and then smashing them, and then till most of the juice comes out. And then whatever's left, we give to the goats.
Should we give it to the goats? Jelly?
Jelly.
Jelly. So this is what it looks like after it's all been mashed. What do you think, Jelly? They're a little sour this year because there's not been a lot of sun.
Does not care.
Does not care. Eat first. Ask questions. Never.
There's some people looking over here that are jealous.
Are they toast jelly?
Yes.
Because everyone's jelly.
Yes, they're all jelly here.
Oh, my jelly.
Do you think she's come up like she's breathed yet?
You can breathe.
I don't
Breathe
think
later.
She's breathed between bites.
No.
Are you jealous? Old baby?
So, okay, and then it's seedless.
We have a baby. You want some?
No.
You sure?
White baby, blackberry juice.
Jelly,
That's
it's
gonna
all
work.
over your nose. Come here, Thorny. Here, come over here. You butt. You jumped in here. This is what you get. Oh, you seem horrified at this.
Jelly's eating faster and faster. It's getting on the floor.
Oh, it's on me.
It's on everyone.
Here, have some.
Just not gonna do battle with the jelly.
Jelly's pretty terrifying.
I'll step in it.
No?
No, it'll chase you away with food.
That's not how that works.
You're gonna, Jelly, you're wasting
You're
it.
selling half of it.
You're wasting it, Jelly.
It's all over your face.
Oh.
Like a zombie.
Zombie goat. Jelly does not care. Give it.
Just keep feeding me.
Just give me. Just for me.
Jelly's like, why'd you stop?
The sound of that.
You're ASMR.
Oh my god. Jelly, look at your face. Blackberry vines will grow off your nose. Jelly?
Well, okay, you ate you ate most of it.
There's more. Check. Oh, you'll eat the...
I would call that pretty clean. That's pretty clean.
It's not clean.
It's clean and it's
Jelly?
pretty clean by my standards. They need to get off the shelf.
Baby.
If you knock it, don't knock that over.
Here it comes.
Yeah, I've had about enough of you.
Baby goes back in the baby place. Yep. Jelly. Jelly.
Well, you got it on my shirt.
What's up on that? Jelly. And that's why goats like blackberries.
Yes.
Because who doesn't?
No, you're not. This is not a game. This is not a game.
It's a game.
It is not. No. Okay.
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 Okay, Jelly Belly.
You should find something to wipe off your nose.
There will be other goats to wipe off her nose on.
Green. Oh, and it's all in your beard.
It's in your beard.
Hey, you didn't
And
get
you
any
loved
on
it.
your waddles like you did last time.
Yeah. Jelly. That's the camera. It's not. Yeah. Okay.
Just checking.
Hey.
Yesterday we were picking all of our blackberries for jam, and a friend of ours, Cindy Mudge, who is the market manager, has had some plums that she was worried about, and so she generously asked us to come pick them and then keep them. We ended up with, these are 5-gallon buckets, over 10 gallons of plums that are really heavy. And although we have more for jelly, we have too many for the house jelly, but we don't have too many for jelly. Let's give them some plums before we milk them. Jelly, jelly, jelly. Baby, over here. Jelly, hey Jasper. Come here. It's a Plums. And they're smart. They know how to spit the pits. Got it, but
You didn't spit the pit, Wonky.
well, some of them are smart. I know, they're so goofy.
Hello, boo boo. Jelly, jelly, jelly.
Jelly! Jelly! Hey, what's over here? Jelly! 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 Jelly, you're going all the way around.
Jelly, jelly, jelly.
Hey! 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 Feet! Do not stand in it.
Jelly, jelly. Are you sneaking?
Hey, Wonky Spitter Pet!
Did you spit?
Yes. Wow.
Oh.
Jelly.
Meow. Jenny, go.
Jenny!
Tootie loose.
Tootsie! I mean... No,
Lol.
don't murder me. Hey, the babies are eating it and standing in it. Don't stand in it. You're still working on that pit?
That's a little goofy.
I know, it's very just habu.
Hello, boo-boos. Kuzamoy. Yeah. Well, everyone's silent because their mouth is full.
Jasper, you did not crunch those.
Those are not crunchy bits. You spit them.
Oh no, that's Blue was doing that. Blue, you're not supposed to crunch those. Look at this.
Get the bath.
I mean, fish.
I think that's Ace up there too, talking. La 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 la.
Come over here.
Thorn biscuit.
Thorny. I mean,
Hey, no butterbutt.
I swear he didn't chew that.
Eat first, ask questions later.
I don't think she's chewing them very much. I think she's just swallowing them.
Deli, you working on that pit?
She's still at it.
You working on it? You gonna spit it? Get all the good off it.
Boo, I saw you spit the whole one.
That was close enough. Oh, and you peeled it.
You peeled it, yeah.
You peeled it.
Yeah, the peel is very sour.
You peeled it. Where was the pit?
She's working on it.
Gotta get all the good.
All day sucker.
Gotta get all the good.
Yeah.
There! Jelly spit the pit.
Sissy! Not you. You have plenty. Go over there.
But me. Peel them.
Eat.
Orf. Gallantly. On the rock. Tootsie.
Sissy!
Come back down over here.
You have to come over.
Yeah?
Oh, there's other goats over here.
I know.
So this is Jelly. Jelly's just like, oh my god. Summer just spit a bunch of juice on Misha. I got juice all over
It's
your
okay to spit your sister?
Spit on your sister? That's weird. Yeenie! Yeah, that's pretty good, huh? Yeenie! Come on.
Well, at least give one to Tootsie over there.
Sissy's not coming over. Sissy's getting it.
Oh.
Have another.
Jasper. Jasper, you guys are spilling it.
Yeah, I already saw you. You have juice on your horn.
You have juice on your horn. That's pathetic. Did your mom do that?
I don't know. That could have been anyone. Oh, yay. Jenny finally came over. Do not knock over the main bucket. It's fine, Jenny.
Here, you're standing in it, Summer.
Summer.
You're standing in it. You're wasting it.
I'm wasting it. I'll put them.
Spit the pit, Jasper. Spit it. Don't just swallow those, you dumb thing. Where have you been?
I don't know. Places.
Don't eat that, you dumb
Eating
thing.
everything but you.
Hello, Jasper.
Alright, just
Yeah.
baby.
Baby. Oh my God, everybody's gonna be sticky. This is a mess.
Everyone's gonna have sweeter milk.
Yeah, it's gonna be super sweet milk.
You have to come over.
I saw that.
Did it trip?
It fell. What?
Don't expose you.
Babies?
Hi. Sorry to startle you. Hi, Jenny. You finally came over. Did you eat like 2?
Don't question.
Monkey. Monkey. Stop getting plum juice on me. You have plum juice all over your beard. Your beard's gonna be sticky. Is that fun for treaties? You gonna spit the pit? No? You're agreeing with Niblet not to? Stop. Whose collar is that you're chewing on? Wait, then that means someone's running around naked. Wonky, 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 wonky. Wonky, chill. Nee. You're still working on that? Hey, Butter. Hi, Butter. You need those plums? Got juice dripping from your chin. Hi. Don't spit the pit in my face. I will never let you live it down. Whew. All those plums must have given a boost. Yeah. Still chewing. Walk. Yeah, look, she's swallowing it.
You following it home, Monkey?
Monkey, don't swallow those whole. They have pits.
Yeah. You done? You're not
Yeah.
sure?
Boof. You want alfalfa and grain? Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you guys in the next video.